When the sun dips below the horizon, darkness takes over instantly. During a long overland trip, the limit of your factory headlights is often the limit of your safety. To be honest, the LC250's factory lights are great for the city, but in the pitch black wilderness, they lack the width and distance needed to spot hazards ahead. This real-world limitation is actually why we developed this Lightning series. Instead of just chasing high lumens and creating light pollution, Promo focuses on cleaning up blind spots. Today, we are not talking about specs, we are talking about how to build a stable, reliable lighting setup that survives the toughest trail. First is the roof light cover. We used an aerodynamic design to cut down on annoying wind noise at heavy speeds. But when you turn it on, you will see it's more than just extra brightness. It fills the gaps that factory high beams can reach. Whether you are hitting gravel or sand, it helps you spot rain change far ahead. In the middle of nowhere, that elevation is what gives you confidence behind the wheel. Now, let's look at the roof rack system. Before we talk about lights, it has to be a great roof rack first. Our crossbars are made of high-strength aluminum to ensure everything stays rock solid, even when full loaded. We recess the light bar into the front frame. This means it doesn't weaken the structure or take up any extra cargo space. Many people worry that roof lights cause a glare on the hood, which can be distracting, but notice the high-side setback design. It's positioned further back than standard lights, use the roof's curves to block reflections of the hood. You don't have to deal with that annoying white glare. A clean view of the tree, that's what hardcore really means. Finally, the detail that adds a touch of warmth, the tailgate light. In the quiet of the night, when you are digging through the trunk for gear or tools, you will realize how practical this is. It provides bright light for your campsite and frees up your hands. It also features full screen touch control. This is OE Plus logic. No drilling, seamless fit. It respects the original vehicle while making life much easier. This clean, refined design is all about making the vehicle work better for you. In the dock, this LC250 is no longer just a machine. It's a reliable partner that fears neither the cold nor the night. At Promo, we solve real-world problems with clean design. From distance to camp lighting, we protect every journey with light. If you like our approach, visit promo.com. New users get 10% off. I'm DHG. See you at the next coordinate. Bye bye.